Everybody knows Google Keywords Planner, but did you know Bing has a keyword planner too? And you click on sign up. You go to tools. Well, you can import your data from Google AdWords, but I'm just going to show you the keyword planner here. You go up to tools and you click research keywords. Their keyword planner is not very good. It's nothing like Google Keyword Planner, but I wanted to show you it because maybe they find a handful of things that Google Keyword Planner didn't find. It's very simplistic looking. So let's say we search bike helmets. You get information on bike helmets. And you can export it to a CSV file. You can also do some advanced options if you see below the cursor, but that's pretty much Bing's Keyword Planner. Thanks for listening.